Now, to get the variation within each variable, we're going to just simply multiply each one by themselves, each of the deviations by themselves. And send that down the rows. And we'll do the same thing. Actually, I should just be able to drag this over and send that down the rows. And the reason we do that is to get rid of all negative numbers. We want them to all be positive numbers. And then the next step is to sum all those up. So we just sum them within each column. And do the same thing for here. I should have just been able to drag that down the rows, but what the hey. And now we've got these huge numbers that don't really mean anything because we squared those original numbers. Remember when we squared them or we multiplied them by themselves? So to get them back down to their original metric, we're going to take the square roots. And we'll do the same here. Actually, I'll drag it across. Okay, so we've done pretty much everything we need to do. Now we have a numerator and a denominator. And the numerator of this is going to be equal to the sum of the cross products. And then the denominator is going to be equal to this number times this number. So that way that can help us represent the variation within each variable. So we're saying, what's the ratio of shared variance to just general unshared variance? And then to get the actual R, all we have to do is, I'm going to say R equals, just so this is clear, this number over this number, and we get a 0.54. And that's a positive number, so what that's saying is the more frequently someone visits per month means they've spent more months in that gym. So as people's memberships get older and older, they come more frequently. And that's good news for the gym. What would be bad news is if as people's memberships got older, they came less and less frequently, it would probably mean that people weren't having much of a good time. And we can check this value too, because Excel provides a function, the Pearson function, and it'll just compute this for us. So we type in Pearson equals Pearson, and then A2 through A21, B2 through B21, and you can see we get the exact same value.